Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now I was thinking to make an easy video about how to change the air filter on this Honda Accord. Though I'm seriously not sure if I got the right air filter, so I have to package out and open the system and see. The filter looks bigger than the place it's supposed to be. Maybe it's only me seeing it wrong, or maybe I got wrong filter. Let's see. Here's screws here. This system is just to drag up, kind of crazy. 4 screws, a clamp. What the heck that clamp is made. So see, after I was taking off this air duct, it looks to be only 4 screws. Before we see if I just have to get on with this. It was very small, 8 millimeters. See if I get in with my tools to take it out. This set I didn't have any longer tools. That was bad. Just my screwdriver was only fooling around. And back to my cross. Put it on a smart place. That one is not working. Interesting to see if it's the right filter I got. The problem, my right arm is not working. Luckily on this side I'm able to get this in. So it would have been nice with an 8 millimeter with a long arm of extension. 8 millimeter long extension on a machine. And this would have been done in a few seconds. Yeah. Luckily it looks like the filter I got is the right one. because I bought the filter from, oh, this is from Dirty Will. Okay. There. Let's have a new filter. Four screws, bang, 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 bang. With the right tool, in battery tool here now. So done in a couple of minutes. There, 8mm outside or cross screw, better with a battery tool with a long shaft, then it will have been finished fast. And if someone wonder about the look of this, it looks very big compared to the box, but actually it's right. I got it from USA, Rock Auto. I got it very cheap. Ultra Power is called, 46303. So then that job is done too. Fast and easy. Just have to remember to put in this air duct. Yeah, new filter is in. Yeah, that was very fast, easy, simple, cheap, inexpensive, low priced, fast. Could have been even faster with an electric tool with a long shaft and 8mm cup. Then it will take very short time. Take out the air duct, 4 screws, just lift it up, take out filter, in with filter, 4 screws again, back with the air duct. Easy, fast, simple, everyone can do it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you get to change your air filter. You can check Rock Auto. They're sending most of the world from USA. Fast. I got a lot of parts from this car, from the Honda Civic, old Honda Civic I have, and also for my son's 2000 model Celica in one package, or 3 package, big package, for a very good price, and from USA to Norway in less than 10 days, around 1 week more or less. So thank you for good service. Well, thank you for you guys coming in watching my videos. Please subscribe to the channel, it will help me a lot. I'm trying to make more videos like this. I have to try to make them shorter too. So thank you, please subscribe, please put a like, and please put a comment about things you want to see, things I do wrong, of course, and help my channel to help you guys. So thank you.